The ECA120DN is a high-efficiency stereo amplifier since it works in Class D, which offers a power output of 2 by 60 watts RMS over 4 ohms, has 2 analog audio inputs and 2 Dante audio inputs with selectable priority function of one of the inputs over the other, plus a suitability auxiliary audio output to, for example, connect a self-powered subwoofer. It also has a selectable auto standby function and a port for remote volume control compatible with the WPM series of wall panels. The ECA120HZDN is a high-efficiency mono amplifier in Class D, which delivers 120 watts RMS over 100 volts high impedance line in a very small size. It has the same characteristics as the ECA120DN. These two new models offer 2 key elements that make them very advanced, cost-effective and compact units: the Class D amplification and the Dante interface. ECA120DN and ECA120HZDN are 2 compact, reliable and silent amplifiers, capable of satisfying all your needs in both low impedance and 70 or 100 volts line installations, and of handling both analog and digital signals, and with functions such as priority that will allow you to integrate it with public address and voice alarm systems, or auto standby, which will allow you to simplify your installation and save energy. More information about this and other products manufactured by Eclair on the website www.eclair.com. Thank you for watching this video.